Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make chai latte. One of my favorite drinks, hot beverages ever. And we've made it today. This type of chai latte, I usually go outside and I drink. I go with my friends, many times we've done that. But I was like, let's just try this at home today. Let's see how it's turned out. I'm very happy with the presentation because there's this nice foam right at the top of it, and it's got some cinnamon powder on top as well. It's just got a nice color to it. So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow! MashaAllah, that is superb. That is, what can I say? To say in my language, la jawab. There's no words for it. Absolutely sensational. It's milky, but it's got also the tea concentrate as well. And what a blend. What a way of merging together, and there's froth on the top and the cinnamon that's right at the top as well. Absolutely wonderful. The only thing I'm going to say is that if you are someone that likes having a lot more sugar in your tea, it's up to you how much you want to put inside, because for us it was minimal, but that's totally up to yourself. But it's absolutely wonderful. Let's move on to the recipe right now. Okay, so right now we've got in here 1 cup of boiling water, and what we're going to do is place a tea bag right inside. Next we have some fennel seeds over here, and I'm going to place that inside. Then I have a cinnamon stick. 1 stick goes inside. Then I have some, here I have 2 cardamom pods, so that goes inside. Now here I have some black pepper corns. So these go inside, there's about 4 of these. So here I have 1 clove, and that will go inside as well. Here I have a piece of ginger, so that goes inside as well. And boom. Okay, look at that. Look at the color coming out. You might get a little bit of nice aroma emitting from this as well. I just really like the color. I'm really into cooking by seeing the color emerge. Really excites me. Now we're going to let this boil and simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, so over here we have half a glass of milk, and we're going to bring this milk to a boil. At the same time, we're getting the tea that we showed you earlier. We're getting that boiled on the side, but we're also getting this milk, half a cup of it, boiled. Okay, so it's boiled really nicely. You can see the milk. It's been boiling for the past few minutes. So it is a bit frothy, but if you want to get extra froth, sometimes you can't get it. What you want to do is just like... So if you want to make it a bit more frothy, you get this tool, you want to push down, make it more frothy, make it more thick. And it gives a very good texture whilst drinking this tea. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to strain this tea. So we've got a bit of a sieve here, and the tea's been strained. Come out with a very nice dark color and good aroma to it as well. Now what we're going to do is add in this frothy milk, like so. Look at that. Color is wonderful. This is what you call chai latte. Chai latte, absolutely amazing. Look at the froth at the top. Look at that, wonderful, wonderful. Looks exquisite. And look at the froth on top. That's very important. Very good texture. There's so much going on that I have so much to analyze over here, and to give you live analysis of what's appearing in front of your screen right now. Over here we have some organic cinnamon powder, and it's going to make some, it's going to use this powder just to cover the top. Gives it a wonderful presentation, also a wonderful taste at the same time. And that's that. That's your chai latte. Okay, you saw how to make this wonderful chai latte. The way that we've made it today, very, very impressed. I will give it a 5-star rating to everything from presentation to the taste to the process that it took, and to the fact that, you know, the experience of actually making it. So it's been wonderful. So with that said, do like this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment below whether you are going to try this chai latte or whether you are going to try maybe a coffee latte. Maybe you can also comment if you'd like to see us make a coffee latte. And also hit that notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Share this content to as many people as possible. And with that said, catch you in the next one.